Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening Bluej and loading the project that contains your applet source. First, make sure the class extends applet or Applet and that imports are correct, because compilation depends on them. Once done, check Bluej's project folder to confirm both the applet and any helper classes are present. Then select the applet class and compile. This generates class files Bluej uses to run. If compilation fails, address errors before moving on. You now focus on compilation and runtime parameters. After a clean compile, right-click the applet class in Bluej to access run options or to create an object instance with parameters. This matters when your applet uses constructors or custom settings. Also verify that init, start, paint, and stop are implemented as required so the lifecycle behaves predictably. Once parameters are set, run the applet viewer or an HTML wrapper. This shows how the applet initializes and paints the UI. You reach the final execution and verification step. Run the applet using Bluej's applet viewer or launch the embedded HTML. Observe the UI and console for exceptions. If nothing appears, make sure the applet size is set in the HTML or constructor because zero-size canvases show blank screens. For errors, read the stack trace to locate the offending line, then recompile. One tip: if timing or repaint issues occur, ensure you update UI on the event thread and call repaint when state changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.